welcome back. Today I'm going to be filming a cleaning video, but in a whole different house. I'm still in my house, but I'm going to be on my way to my sister's house. She's actually throwing a housewarming party today. She moved into my same neighborhood not too long ago, so we're pretty much neighbors now. And I thought I'd give her a hand just because she works night shifts and she just didn't have time today. So I'm going to get her house nice and settled for her guests to come. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video and get some cleaning motivation and just get to enjoy her house decorations because I think it's coming along super cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye. Okay, you guys, so first things first, I'm going to start by opening up all the windows. I just like to clean with windows open, and then after I clean, it might sound weird, but I love to close all the shades and then just turn on like mood lighting. Just makes everything so cozy. But anyways, I'm starting off in her living room. For the most part, her house was pretty tidy. This is her first house, so she's now starting to fill it up with furniture and home decor. So her house wasn't too cluttered. I'm just making sure that everything is nice, tidy, straightened up, just so that when her guests arrive, everything looks nice and perfect. For now, their TV is sitting on the floor. Like I said, they're still trying to purchase new furniture, and a media console is definitely on their list. But for now, I'm just trying to hide all the cable situation that I have going on here. I just rolled everything up behind the TV just to hide it as best as I could. And then I even put the basket of blankets right next to the TV just so I could hide it even more.
You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. something I can never be without. Yeah, I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own will. It's been 2 years.
So these are my parents, my mom and dad. They passed by just to drop off the food for the party. And while they were at it, I asked my dad if he could take those 2 moving boxes into the garage because one of them was super heavy. I did not know I was going to move it, so it's so good that he passed by at the right time. By the way, you guys, you're going to see that their trash can keeps opening and closing. I could not figure that out. I don't know if I was getting too close to it or just tapping it by mistake. I really thought I was gonna break it. They have one of those smart trash cans and they just have so many smart gadgets around the house that I'm still trying to get used to it because my house, I feel like it's outdated or old-fashioned. So it was pretty neat to test out other new smart features. But at the same time, I swear I thought I was gonna break them.
So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell. I really wonder how did it come to this? Go see my friends, but then I realize they're all your friends. Is this who I am? You see me running around in circles, feeling so sweet, but should it be like this? I'm loving the heat, I think I'm losing it. What do I? Every time you call my name, what do I? You're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. Is this really healthy? Maybe I need therapy, yeah. Red carpet for you. Let me hold your bag. I'll carry your shoes. I think I've lost it. What do I? Every time you call my name, what do I? You're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. Keep on playing in silence. What do I? Maybe I should keep rolling in silence.
If you guys have been around my channel for a while, you know that my favorite way to clean the kitchen sink is with Barkeeper's Friend. It does such a good job at taking away everything from rust, scratches, and giving your sink such a nice polish. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I'll link it on the right side of the screen, in the cards, or down below in the description box. I was about to forget to mention that she actually ordered new appliances. They had shipped and everything, but were not delivered on time for the party. But I feel like once her appliances are in, her kitchen is gonna feel so complete. So while I was finishing up cleaning, my other sister arrived as well, and they started setting up for the party. Everything came out super nice. We had a great time. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in my next cleaning video. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. And before I close out today's video, a huge congratulations to my sister and her husband. I wish you nothing but the best in this new journey that you guys are starting now. Having your first home is just an unexplainable feeling, so I know exactly how they feel, and I'm super happy for them. And to all my subscribers, thank you once again for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.